Hey everybody, it's Heidi and I'm here to do another tiny tutorial. Today I'm going to go over how to do coupons in your Etsy shop. So you go to Etsy and you go to your shop manager and then you scroll down to marketing and then you hit sales and coupons. I already have my sales and coupons set up, but I'm going to go over how to do it anyway. Today I learned just through messing with this that you can do an abandoned cart coupon and a recently favorited. So, pretty much, the abandoned cart is somebody who puts something from your shop in their cart and leaves it. So, maybe they're thinking about it, maybe they don't want to spend that much money. So, what you can do is you can send them a coupon and it will give them a push notification saying that you can get 10% off if you enter this code. So mine is 10% off, and I did come back 10, and it's being sent to people who leave something in their cart. And you can put an end date or stop sending offers whenever you want, or deactivate. And I put mine that it applies to my whole shop. You can also do recently favorited. So that's anybody who's recently favorited or followed your shop. You can give them a push notification to give a percentage off. And mine is welcome 10 and it gives them 10% off, and I don't have an end date for that one either. Now, say that you're getting plenty enough orders, you can always go to manage campaign and hit deactivate or stop sending offers. Okay, so there were two other things. You can do a return coupon, and that emails anybody who has already bought from your shop. And mine is return 20, and I don't have an end date on that either. Now, you can also run a sale. So I am running sale on my coins right now. And how to set this up is you go into run a sale. You'd like to offer your shoppers a percentage off and then choose your discount. I did 30%. You can choose what country you do it for. And then you can do a minimum order. I did not do a minimum order because I feel like that would deter people from using the sale, but to each his own. And you can also do a duration. I did it from today till the end of the month. You can also set your own terms and conditions. And then I named mine Coins 30. Next, this is the really cool part. You can add whatever listings you want. So this button pulls up all of your listings in your shop. And then you can close out which ones you don't want to offer the sale on. And say you accidentally hit that, you can search for it. So these are the three things that I wanted to offer my 30% on. And this brings up a review of what you're doing, how long you're doing it for, and whatnot. Now, I already created this, so I'm just going to back out. And these are all of your individual sales and coupons, and you can manage them from this dashboard. And again, I don't know how to do this on the app, so whenever I want to do a new coupon or sale, I jump on the computer to do it. Now, the important part about marketing is have a page outside of your Etsy. I have separate from my personal account, I have a Facebook page and a Instagram business account. So you definitely want to cross promote. I've already posted about my sale on my Facebook and Instagram, and you can actually set it up to where those are linked. So you only have to post it on one for it to post on both. and you need to use hashtags. So reach with the hashtags, hashtag anything that's related to whatever you're selling, and good luck with it. Thanks for watching my tiny tutorial.